My name is DJ Rohan. I'm currently coming to you live from the beautiful Legacy Castle here in New Jersey, where we are rocking a beautiful, beautiful wedding event. I was originally born and raised on the beautiful island of St. Thomas. After that, I moved to Boston for college, where I continued to pursue my love of music while DJing in nightclubs. I knew I wanted to take it a step further, so now I am here officially part of the DJ USA roster, and we're here to rock all of your events. I really love what I do. My favorite part of the night is that synergy you feel between the crowd and yourself, and you know that you're in full control. You know that when you mix that next song, that the crowd is going to be anticipating it with you. And the feeling I get from that is unparalleled. I am DJ Rohan, and this is DJ USA.